welcome back to Jen's Hangout. I'm Jen. If you're new here, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. And I hope you like my content. I have been away for a little while due to my heart surgery. As you guys know, I had a quadruple bypass surgery in November of this past year, and I am still recovering from that. But then I got a really nasty case of bronchitis, which I am still getting over, as you can hear. And then I have a couple other infections going on top of that, so I've kind of been down and out for a while. I've tried to put out some videos here and there when I was feeling a little better, but then all of this other stuff happened, and whammo, I'm starting to feel better. Sorry for all the coughing. It figures I was doing okay beforehand, and now I start coughing again. Coughing is excruciating. Sneezing is probably the worst pain of my life. But that's a side point. That's not why we're here. We are here for friend mail that is long overdue, and I owe Miss Alice from Alice Lynn I Love Being a Grammy. I will have her linked down below. I owe her a long overdue. I'm sorry for taking so long to open this. I got it at the first part of January. She sent this beautiful friend mail to me. And I have been so sick, I didn't want to get into it and contaminate it with all my germs. I still obviously sound sick, but I have had, I start my second run of antibiotics today. So the bronchitis is getting better. The other stuff is for the other infections, so which are slowly getting better, or will be slowly getting better. I can't talk. Anyway, let's just get into this box. I owe her a huge apology for not getting this open, and a huge thank you because she didn't have to send it to me. And it is, all I've done is just open, cut the tape. And this is what it looks like. She sent me a beautiful card. So let's get into this. I'm going to set this over here in my box of stuff to be open and filmed. You'll see this t-shirt a lot. Sunny days, happy times, and lots of love. She always picks the best cards. Anyway, just a few of the many things you're wished on your birthday and every day. See, this is a late birthday present. My birthday was the end of December, right after Christmas. So thank you, my dearest friend. I love you. And a very Merry Christmas. I love you so much, my beautiful bestie. Love, Alice. And this is what the inside looks like. Isn't it beautiful? Like I said, she always picks the best cards. She really does. So, and then she wrapped everything too, and it's gorgeous. And I'm excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Okay, so first thing. Okay, so it's all wrapped really nice and beautifully in this beautiful bag. I love these bags. I love these bags. They come from Amazon. Oh my gosh, and they're just stuffed full. Like, stuffed full to the brim. Okay, so the first thing is Beginnings Beginnings by Hask, which is a wonderful hair mask brand. They do shampoo and stuff too, but I love their hair masks for when I dye my hair. repairing argan oil, made with argan oil, and it's a conditioning treatment. So love that. She knows. Girl knows. She knows. Okay, and then this is, she said she was going to send me this. This is from City Beauty. It is their plumping lip gloss. And it hydrates and nourishes, visibly smooths lip lines, and enhances volume with hyaluronic acid and oligopeptides. Interesting. Solution for thin lips, dry lips, and wrinkled lips. Which, being a former smoker, I have much of that. So, and I think she pretty much went over everything and said that there wasn't any coconut oil in it. And it's just in clear. So I'm excited to try this. I'm going to try it right now. Because your girl's lips are parched. But that's the box. It's really pretty packaging, right? And then this is the gloss. And it's got tape on it. Tape on it. God, no. I don't know how he sleeps through my blood sugar alarm. I really don't. Anywho. Smells good. Oh, it feels really good. It doesn't... It reminds me of the Becca lip plumper that they had. It was more of a cinnamon flavor. This has a little bit of the mint flavor to it, but it's not like, oh my gosh, mint. You know what I mean? Where it just burns your face off. No, this is nice. She wasn't kidding. This is really, this is nice stuff. It'll be right there on my table. Okay, now everything else is all wrapped up really pretty in wrapping paper. So I get to unwrap Christmas presents. I didn't get to unwrap Christmas presents this year. I'm going to save this. It's a beautiful bag. Beautiful bag. Okay, so we're going to unwrap this one first. You guys, please go show Alice some love. She is the wonderfulest friend ever. And feels like a bar soap, but it's not a bar soap. I'm fairly certain of that, but like the shape of it. But yeah, go check her out. She's got all kinds of videos. She does similar stuff. Basically, she does similar stuff to me. I met her on here. She won my very first giveaway ever on my channel. I think we're both just as excited as each other. And we've been friends ever since. So, oh, these look like lip balms. She knows I'm a lip balm junkie. All about my lip balms. No, these are, oh, okay, I know what these are. She said she was going to send me these. Well, she said she was going to send me one. She didn't send me, she was going to send me 4. Oh my goodness, girl. Oh my goodness. These are the P. Louise colored eye bases. I have a couple colored eye bases from other companies. And then I have one regular P. Louise eye base, and I love it. It's great. But there's the light pink. This is fabulous. Here is the red. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I'm not in my beauty room because what is it called? Rude Boy Red. And the pink is called Winter Rose. Those are so beautiful. Because I'm in the midst of tearing it apart. Touch of Frost. That is a beautiful light blue. Well, or it's a mess. Yeah, it's just a mess. And then this lilac color is Vivid Violet. So pretty. I love those. I love them. They're wonderful. Must save the... I have to get that off later. Okay, so what is this? This has got to be a palette, I betcha. I betcha. I know that a couple of things, at least one thing is from Glam Light, because she was waiting for that order before she sent my package. I just had Glam Light send her the package, so. Oh, is this the light one? I hope it is. Because I just bought the dark one. She packages things very well so they don't come broken. She's very good. She always packages things with lots of care. It is the Scooby-Doo Creeps and Crawls. What's the dark one? I have this one. So, we'll have to figure out what to do with it. But yeah, I have this one. And it is a beautiful palette. Here, hold on. Okay, I went and grabbed mine to show you guys. But look at these stunning colors. They are truly gorgeous. And Glam Light's formula is amazing. We love it. A lot. But I betcha she has it. So now we get to do a collab together. Exciting! So I'll have to set this one aside. Over here. What is this one? Is this one the light one? There's two Scooby-Doo palettes from Glam Light, and there's the light one and the dark one. Is this the light one? Yes. Yes, it is. It's the light one. I'm so sad. I just can't hide it. It's called the Ruh-Roh Reggae palette. But what is it? Mama getting excited about something? Coda's over here looking at me like, what are you doing, Mom? What doing? Want to smell it? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh wow, that's so pretty. She knows I love greens. And that is just stunning. Oh my gosh. I want to swatch it. But this video is forever long already. So we're just gonna do that. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. Yeah. I love it so much. Thank you. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, where are you? I love Scooby-Doo. Not as much as Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland's my fave, but what did Mama get? What did Mama get you, man? What is it? Oh my gosh, it's eyelashes. Look at all these eyelashes. Emma's gonna have eyelashes for days. For days and days and days. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna open all these eyelashes, but they look stunning. Okay, look. Look. Dogs have to inspect everything. Everything. You weren't kidding you were going to send me some eyelashes, girl. Oh my goodness. Are these the Michaela ones? Wow. Those are beautiful. I don't know if you can see them through the glare. I don't think you can. They're stunning. They're stunning. These are love. Oh, I like those. They're crisscrossed. Those are really pretty. Did you put? Did you make a stinky? You did, didn't you? You did, didn't you? Go lay down. You have a stinky butt. Ooh, Tinkerbell. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are good everyday ones. These are gorgeous. Those are beautiful. Look at those. Okay, I said I wouldn't go through all of these, but they're stunning. They're absolutely stunning. These are definitely good everyday ones. Okay. What are these ones? Hot Kitty Beauty. Wow, those are beautiful. Okay. What is in the yellow? Wowza. Those are big by the bang. Ooh. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, my Alice. I love it all. I love it all. Every last bit of it. Thank you so, so much. You are amazing. And Orion moved my his little stinker. But anyway, thank you so, so much. I love you so, so much. You guys, please go check out Alice. She's amazing. She has wonderful content. She's an amazing friend, an amazing person. I love her to death. Blessings to you all. I love you so, so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.